is another fucking European. So when you're saying you're African American, you're naming yourself after two Europeans. Nigga, that ain't your daddy. Nigga, your daddy should look like you. Your daddy should look like you, nigga. And when you say, I'm a Latino America, he tripping. What do you mean, blacks and Latin? Nigga, yes. Latin America was a name they gave us to further divide us. Look up, the root word in Latino is Latin, and Latin was never a people. It was a European love language. A European motherfucking love language. Are you a European love language? No, you're not. So ask yourself, if I'm not Latin American and I'm not African American, then what the fuck am I? And why the fuck are they teaching me this in their school and still teaching my kids this shit? Because these motherfuckers are the true oppressors. They will never change. They will never change. Fuck is you voting for, nigga? Voting ain't gonna change shit. Knowledge of self is what changes shit. And then you'll see how aggressive they get, nigga. This ain't aggressive. We just kicking real knowledge of self. I bet you they asses planning and plotting right motherfucking now. They mad, nigga. Them motherfuckers sitting back like, oh, okay, we got this, nigga. They got they motherfucker, they about to get their little shit and pull up out my crib and be sitting outside with the shit on with the little earplugs and shit, nigga. We got him. We got him. We know where he's at. Nigga, I will turn my location on, nigga. I'm not worried about none of that. We don't move in no fear. All right? Just like I said, man, these are the people that kill FBG Duck. Case solved, nigga. Now, what we gonna do about it? What we gonna do about it? Or is niggas gonna rather sit back and say, I'm lying and take to the streets and think a BD did it or another set did it and continue to kill each other? That's what niggas want to do, right? Facts, at the end of the day, like I'm telling y'all, we are gods, right? This is the frequency war. We're moving closer to December 21st, people. The second sun is locking back in. The DNA is being repaired. These black goddesses don't even know they goddesses. Do you know black women, Latino women, you have mitochondrial DNA? If you didn't know, you can produce any color baby. All right? You can manifest more of you without us. But they want to call it parthenogenesis. Nigga, this is facts. And I dropped out of high school, nigga. How I know this? Because I meditate. I go within. You go get all the scientists that y'all want. It's there than 800 motherfuckers on here. Go get your best scientist from NASA that went to Harvard. I bet I eat his ass up. Let's talk about it, nigga. So when we talking about the violence in Chicago and FBG, that's small, lightweight. Y'all got to see the bigger picture of what's really going on out here, man. This coronavirus hoax that they done did all year and shit. Nigga, they know that it's over with for their system. So I'm giving y'all real history if you didn't know. If you didn't know that you was go dig into you. Go dig into you and you come back and tell me what you come back with. Just like that ancient Sufi proverb from Africa, if you want to call it that. I searched for myself and I found God. I searched for God and found myself. This is a fact. This is a fact. So understand that these human beings, these reptilian shapeshifters, which are your presidential leaders, they motherfucker, oh, they don't exist. Okay, keep thinking that shit they don't exist. That's because you've been lied to about the cosmos. Got you thinking you the only motherfucker on the planet. And they also told you that you wasn't shit but a dumbass African that they helped free, or you was a dumbass Puerto Rican that they helped free. They done taught you every fucking modern invention in history has a white face on it. You should ask yourself why, nigga. Nigga, even the gods is white, nigga. Jesus, Virgin, I've been got on Virgin, but she was fucking, nigga. If you just get in here, you can leave now. Because all my students know, we normally 200 deep. That's a whole extra 500 of y'all that I don't even know. I'm getting nervous. Nigga, Mary was fucking if you just got in here. She was fucking too. All right? Immaculate Conception, none of that bullshit ever happened, nigga. She was fucking and they hid the story, nigga. Or either he never came, nigga. But all of they guys are white. None of they guys look like you. And why did they paint they guys white if they telling you all that shit took place in Africa? Right? Because they want you to worship them as God. Right now, you got to go to work for them, don't you? Build they factories, nigga. They eat good off our energy, nigga. This whole country runs off our energy, the black and Latino energy, nigga. I don't care if you a music artist, you work for them. If you sell drugs, you work for the government. If your ass don't even got a job, guess what? You have a birth certificate, which they still make collateral off of, so you work for the government, nigga. And if your ass go in corporate America, you check every day, oh, hey, let me punch the clock. Hey, Jen, punch the clock and shit come in, yeah. You still work for them too. Nigga, they done took the whole fucking planet from us, nigga. And got us thinking we the minority. Got you thinking this shit like, oh, hey, you know, shit, they Africans, they Puerto Ricans, shit. You reading the story about the Indians and shit, you wonder why you don't see no Indians no more? Because you looking at the motherfucking Indians, nigga. You looking at the Indians. You know, nigga, they taught you the story. You was in school, nigga, like this. Yeah, the Indians, yeah, you know, the Pilgrims fucked the Indians up. You don't even give a fuck about the Indians, nigga. You just be looking forward to turkey, nigga. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, nigga. Nigga, whole time, ask yourself this. Nigga, they said there was 3 billion Indians, nigga. Where the fuck they all go? Nigga, and who they show you as Indians, them motherfuckers be white. Yes, they do. All these motherfucking aboriginals, nigga, that was on this fucking planet. You want to just say this continent, where the fuck they go? Guess where they went? You looking at them, nigga. But see, they got you thinking, oh, well, we went and got y'all from Africa, because they don't want you, because if they didn't say that, then you would know that there was black people and Latino people, if you want to call them that, every fucking where. Carbonated beings. If you have carbon in your skin, nigga, this ain't no melanin. Melanin, they taught you this was melanin because they want you to believe that we are all one human race, nigga. Ain't nothing human about you if you are black or Latino, nigga. That is not racist, nigga. That is a cosmic genetic fact. The 666 is us, nigga. 6 electrons, 6 neutrons, 6 protons, nigga. They don't tell you that type of shit in school. They didn't teach us that, nigga. Nigga, they don't even teach you real physics. The most we learn is the smallest thing is the atom, nigga. And nigga, you got the neutrino that's smaller than the atom. You got the light photon that's smaller than the neutrino. Why did they not tell us about the light photon, class? Because the light photon is that's what the sun's rays are constructed of, nigga. That's how we made the sun. Carbonated being, we made the sun. When you stand in that sun, nigga, that's your real food. Electricity, energy. It's all you need in water, nigga. We never needed food. Because if you've been in my class looking at my lectures, you know goddamn well we broke down what food was. And if you just get in here, you can go ahead, go back and look at it, nigga. We've been giving lectures for months, nigga. Welcome to the university if you're just getting in this bitch. Because we normally 250 strong. It's than 1,000 motherfuckers. But this is real fucking cosmic facts. What they don't want you to know. They making cartoons and movies all about your goddamn DNA. Nigga, I just told y'all the other day, you have 23 chromosomes, man. 46 pairs, nigga. Each chromosome has 2 fucking strands that are attached by hydrogen. Shed a light 3 times if you believe you feeling what I'm saying. Shed a light 3 times. We ain't come to fuck around today. All right? Nigga, you got 23 chromosomes, man. You got 46 pairs. All right? Within these chromosomes in your DNA, all right, in your DNA, giving you the science behind why you are a god and goddesses, right? Nigga, 46 times 2 is what? 92 strands total. So that means you have 92 strands of DNA per cell total, all right? So that means that you have 3 million strands of DNA, nigga. Out of 3 million strands of DNA, they taught you in school that you motherfucking only use 98% of your DNA is locked, nigga. And they call it junk DNA. Nigga, human beings ain't even got DNA. The only people with DNA is the black and Latinos. Did y'all know that? Did you know that? And they lock 98% of our motherfucking DNA. Through the GMOs they put in the food, through the shots they give us as babies, through the nanobots they put in the food. What is you talking about? What is you talking about? This is facts. So out of 3 million strands of DNA, you're only 2.8 million of them you don't use. So if 2.8 million of your strands you do not use, nigga, what is that saying about you? What are you? Why did they lock your DNA? Because you a god. Every fucking superhero movie was written about your DNA. Human beings do not have souls. I am not being racist. They have spirit. All right? That's why it's this second sun locked back in. They're gonna be going through spontaneous combustion, right? If they don't get their spirits right, so that they can ascend. Because as we move into this next level is all about love. Ain't no hate. We moving into new energy, y'all. That's what 2020 was about. Because 2020 really is 2012. They set the Gregorian calendar back 8 motherfucking years, nigga.